Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the scene, park level, set the parking brake, and chock the opposite wheel so the car won't roll. Next, inspect and identify the manufacturer jacking point. You need a flat, reinforced area under the pinch weld or frame. Once located, remove hubcap and lug nuts slightly while the wheel bears weight. Make sure the jack fits the point and your spare wheel is nearby. This prevents shifting and saves time when you lift the vehicle. You now position the jack saddle directly under the jacking point and begin pumping or cranking slowly. Listen for unusual noises and stop if anything slips. Raise until the tire clears the ground by about 1–2 inches so you have room to work. Once elevated, finish loosening and remove all lug nuts, keeping them together so they don't roll away. Pull the wheel straight off the hub, then set the spare in place aligning holes before hand threading the lug nuts back on. Once the spare is seated, hand start lug nuts and lower the car slowly until the tire meets the ground and the wheel won't spin. You then torque the lug nuts in a star pattern to the manufacturer's specification to prevent warping. After securing tools and stowing the flat tire, recheck the lug torque after 5,100 miles. If the jack slips at any point, stop immediately. Rechock, reposition on solid ground, and repeat the lift. Slippage usually means improper contact or soft ground.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.